people, Yasmin here. Welcome to Juliet Kitchen. Today you're in for a sweet treat. I'm going to be showing you how to make my favorite and my son's favorite carrot coconut cake. It's absolutely delicious. It's very easy to pull together. And guess what? You don't need to pull out a mixer to make this cake. I'll also share with you in a separate video my recipe for the cream cheese frosting, but you could frost a cake with whatever type of frosting you prefer. Also, I asked you not to judge me on the decorating skills because I'm a bread baker by nature and by certification, but not a cake decorator. But I guarantee you the cake is absolutely delicious as well as the frosting. So let me show you how I pull this super delicious, very quick and easy cake together.
Remember to hit the subscribe button. Thank you.
Okay, beautiful people, the cake has been baking for about 35 minutes. Toothpick inserted and it should come out clean. So let's take a look. Okay, beautiful people, I'm going to let these cakes cool in the pan for about 10 to 15 minutes. I'm going to let it cool completely on the wire rack outside of the pan. It smells amazing in here. Okay, beautiful people, just don't judge me with my cake frosting skills. I'm just not a cake baker by nature, just bread baking. Okay, beautiful people, the moment I've been waiting for is taste testing. The cake is so moist. You can taste the coconut, the carrot, a little bit of hint of the cardamom. It's absolutely delicious. I do hope you'll take the time to try this recipe and enjoy it as much as we do around here. Until next time, happy cooking!